I'm Werner. Today I want to share how to create this YouTube thumbnail in Canva. Anyway, I use Canva desktop with a Pro subscription, so it will contain many Pro elements. Then if you are ready, let's start creating. For YouTube, I always use a black background. And above is my first draft, which always look different from my final design. I want to use a light font because my background looks a bit heavy already. Anyway, to consider the font size, you need to know which message is the most important. For me, create shape is a more important message than the sentence basic Photoshop. Then I want to make it bigger. Then now I want to create a look for my message. I like to make my text easy to understand. Using a line or text backgrounds is my favorite way. Don't forget to create contrast between the text and background. Canva can also help to group or separate text from each other. Let's use it wisely. And when I can't find the elements I want in Canva, I always create them myself. Now it's time to make everything balanced and decorate the design. I found something interesting already. The point is how to find the right map elements for your design. I recommend you to try placing it on the artboard. And some elements require more work like this one, that you need to play with the layer. And in Canva, you can zoom up to 500%. I always do it to make all my work positions perfect. Yeah, finally, I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.